Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be putting on a set of fall nails. These are the fall nails that I got in the recent fall Amazon haul that my most recent video. And I'm going to be putting on these nails, and they have a green nail and then the accent nail. So you can get fall nails on Amazon. You can get all different kind of fall colors. You can go on Impress Nails website or kissnails.com. They do have seasonal nails. Now these nails are very, very long. They obviously would not work, you know, for me to put these nails on at this length. You can see that they are very, very long. But what I do with my nails, and it's nice because it gives me more of a choice for the nails that are out there, because there are some really pretty nails that are just too long. I use my nail trimmer, my trusty nail trimmer, and my nail file, and I get them cut down to the size that is comfortable for me. So don't let the length of the nail, you know, scare you away from using them. And this is the easiest tool to use. I just put my nail in there till my finger touches, and that can be where I cut it, or I can cut less, obviously. But when you use your finger as a guide, then all your nails are the same length. And they really file very easily. I'm not someone who can file my own nails really well, but these nails, super, super easy. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to choose the nail sizes. I will lay out all the nails, choose the nail I want as my accent nail, and then I will glue them on, trim them down, file them, and show you the outcome. So come on down and let's get started. All right guys, so I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I do these glue-on nails. So first, I have to choose the sizes that are gonna fit my nail bed. So I have to actually try them on, put them up against my own nail bed and see which works best. And I'm just gonna keep trying a few, getting them all in line with my nails. So now that I have them all picked out, I'm just gonna prep my nails with a little bit of a file, nothing serious that's gonna damage my nail. And then I use the original Superglue, which I feel works the best to keep these nails on for the longest period of time possible. So I just put the glue on, I slide the nail, and I hold it for 20 seconds. I literally count to 20, and that is enough to set the glue. So I'm just gonna do that with each individual nail and get these nails all glued on one by one. Obviously it's a little harder when you have the nails on, but it's definitely doable. So you can see these are very long nails, too long for me. So I am going to trim them with my trimmer, and you don't use the guillotine side towards you, you use the smooth side towards you. And I just put my finger up till I can't put it in anymore, and then I just clip. So I'm going to do that for all of these nails, and you can see that I just put them in. And as I said, if you rest the tip of your finger against the trimmer, they will all be the same size. So you can see that they've trimmed up very, very nicely. And I saved the thumbs for last because it's easier to put them on with the nails trimmed. And you know, I didn't wait real long to trim them. The 20 seconds per nail is enough to make the glue adhere so that you can trim them without loosening the nails. So I'm just going to get this last thumbnail glued on here, and again just holding it for 20 seconds, you can see. And I'm just going to trim these thumbnails down the same way that I did the rest of the nails. Super, super easy. Don't be afraid of the trimmer. Some people say, oh my God, I'm afraid. Don't be afraid. This trimmer I've been using for years. So now I'm just gonna, you can use any nail file that you want, and it's super, super easy to trim these nails. I just go across the top and a little bit on the side, each corner, a very light file. I'm not doing anything elaborate here. The nails really keep their shape and they really file super easy. I'm not an expert filing nails by any means. I just follow the nail itself, just so I'm smoothing out the edges. That's really all I'm doing. And you can see that they look amazing. All right, guys, here they are, my beautiful fall nails. I absolutely love them. I love the green. I have it on my pinky finger and my thumb, and then a different design on each nail. Now I obviously lost the copper color on my ring finger, but they were just too long for me to be able to function. Now if you like a long nail, by all means, go for it. I think these are so pretty and so cute. So if you like these nails, I'm gonna link them below and you can get them for yourself. Obviously, I think these are a one manicure set. I thought that it came with more of the green so that you could do all your fingers green except for one accent nail, but that wasn't the case. So I think that probably this will be the only set that I get out of these because there's not enough to do another full set. I don't think that would fit my fingers, but that's okay because the cost was way less than going to the salon to get them done professionally. I think this looks like a very professional nail manicure. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this fall nail video, and I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back to my channel. So happy fall, y'all. Take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.